Hey guys, I'm Amit Kumar and welcome to this video in which we are going to have an introduction to CRM, that is Customer Relationship Management. And guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want to stay updated with proper Salesforce tutorials and want to watch more tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Also, if you have thoughts or question, drop it in the comments. I would love to hear from you and promise I will read every single one. Thank you so much guys, and now you can proceed with the video. CRM is an abbreviated form of customer relationship management, which is an approach to manage the company's interaction with customers. Now these customers can be current customers or can be potential customers or future customers. Now, customers are the main priority for any organization or for any company. And to establish a good relationship between them, the company have to perform plenty of tasks. Or even to make new customers, they need to perform plenty of tasks. A CRM tool is really helpful for the company to perform all these tasks. It uses data analysis about customers' history with the company to improve business relationships and ultimately increase sales. So with the help of CRM tool, a company can know about the history of a specific customer. It can be related to the various purchases they have made earlier or related to various grievances they have raised against the company and how the company have resolved those grievances. So if a company have a good history about the specific customer, they can approach in a better way and they can even sell new products to them, or they can actually approach them so that the customer can give a good word of mouth for the company, which can bring new customers to the company as well. Now if we talk about a CRM or CRM tool, a CRM tool helps in different aspects, like it helps in sales, service, support and build up quality for the company. A good CRM tool provides different tools through which customer and company can have a good way of communication between them. It also helps them to provide selling opportunities, so they can provide specific tools through which customers can purchase new products or services from the company. It provides customer care support so that customer can be satisfied, or in case if he is not, he can ask for help from the company itself. So customer care executives are available under customer care department to provide customer services, which in turn gives customer satisfaction. Now a CRM tool provides different features like recording files, fax sending, call pop-ups, call metrics, SMS interaction, click to call, self-care, call logs and whatnot. Now there are different examples of CRMs available out there. For example, Salesforce, which was released in March 1999, and this course is going to help you to become a good Salesforce administrator and is going to provide you various tools that you can use as a Salesforce administrator to utilize the CRM tool in a better manner. Another famous CRM tool is HubSpot Sales Hub, which was actually released in November 2017. Microsoft have their own CRM tool known as Microsoft Dynamics 365 for sales, which was released in November 2016. SAP, one of the oldest CRM tool, which was released in July 1992. Oracle has their own CRM tool, which was released in August 2017, and Criteo, which was released in February 2011. So you can see the oldest CRM tool among these are SAP, and after that Salesforce was introduced. But now in the industry of CRM, Salesforce has the maximum amount of share available. Hence, it makes it the biggest CRM tool available in the market. Now, what are the various advantages of Salesforce over other CRMs? Now, Salesforce helps us in collecting and using customer information, not only in terms of quantity, but also in terms of quality. So, the Salesforce interface is very much user-friendly, and that's why even non-techies and mostly the users of any CRM tool are non-techies, because they are expert in sales, marketing, services, support or various other aspects of the business, but they are not that much technical. So having a very good user-friendly CRM tool is definitely a plus point. Scalable solution. Salesforce provides you pay as you grow feature. Like you can start with the minimalist feature that you want for your business, and as your business grows you can buy new features and keep on adding those features to your existing CRM tool. So definitely it provides a scalable solution to us. The flexibility, the user interface that we have in Salesforce can be fully customized. Not only the interface, even the backend task that is being performed can be fully customized according to the business, which is another big plus point of Salesforce. Now Salesforce is one of the CRM tools which started from cloud itself. Prior to Salesforce, there were other CRM tools, not only SAP, there were other CRM tools available, but they were not available on cloud. Nowadays, most of the CRM tools are available on the cloud, but the trend was started with Salesforce itself. Now, what do we mean by cloud? It means that everything that is available over there related to your organization is available and accessible anywhere. All that you need is an internet connection and a system, and they can perform whatsoever task you want to perform. So cloud makes it accessible anywhere, and you don't need to maintain any infrastructure. So because all the necessary infrastructure is already available over there on the cloud. So that's why you need not to maintain your own infrastructure. You need not to hire someone who is going to maintain this infrastructure for you. So that's also reducing a lot of cost. User resources. Now Salesforce provides many educational posts, webinars, other informative materials, and not only that, it has various communities nowadays available for support. So whatsoever support a user require, Salesforce provides those supports itself. Some of you might have heard about Trailhead, which is one of the educational sites provided by Salesforce. It's a free educational site and anyone can go there, register there and learn new things and new features about Salesforce. Third-party integration. Salesforce provides the largest integration solution. You can integrate your Salesforce CRM to any third party and you can interact that thing. For example, you can integrate your Salesforce with any social networking site like Facebook and LinkedIn and can generate your leads from there, or you can integrate your Salesforce with meeting platforms like Zoom or GoTo and can create meeting and join the meetings from Salesforce itself. These are just few examples, but the largest number of third-party integration provided by any CRM tool is Salesforce. Salesforce provides plenty of time management features which helps in organizing and prioritizing the work. So you can prioritize your tasks, you can prioritize your work, you can assign tasks to the required executives, and that's going to save a lot of time. So you can manage your time really well with the Salesforce CRM tool. Salesforce platform evolves continuously, like Salesforce has 3 major releases with the help of which Salesforce provides new features and new add-ons to it every year thrice. This is the rapidly growing CRM tool available in the market. Now Salesforce has its own app exchange. Just like if you are an iOS user, you might be knowing about App Store, or if you are an Android user, you might be knowing about Play Store, through which you can download new apps to your enhance the feature of your mobile phone. The same is available in Salesforce. Salesforce provides an app exchange for your org and you can download many apps from there. Some of them are paid, some of them are free. So you can download your apps from there and you need not to develop anything from the scratch. You can use already existing app and enhance the feature of your existing org. Now there are different features of Salesforce. Salesforce itself is a very vast field and it's not possible to explain each and every aspect of it in 1 or 2 slides. But in this slide, I try to show you some of the important business activities and some of the Salesforce features that are available for them. So it can give you a quick introduction or quick brief knowledge about how Salesforce can be useful for your business. For example, selling to prospects and customers. Salesforce have features like leads and opportunities objects through which you can sell to your future customers, also known as prospects, or to your existing customers itself. Helps customer after sale. Salesforce have objects and features like cases and communities for customers through which they can raise cases or grievances that they are facing right now by just using the community sites that is even provided by Salesforce. Work on the go. like it is one of the important thing that most of the workers need, right? So Salesforce provides customizable Salesforce mobile app specifically for your org. So the users, your company users, can use Salesforce on the go from their mobile phone itself. They don't need to log into their system to do the step. They can do the same stuff from their mobile phone itself. Collaborate with coworkers or customers. So Salesforce have chatter facility available in the org, so any co-worker can communicate with each other without going to any other communicable, without using any other apps, which is used for communication purpose nowadays. And even community sites is there, so any worker can or any user can communicate with any of your customers. Market to audience, one of the key feature. Like Salesforce have their own marketing cloud. So with the help of this, anyone can use Salesforce for their marketing purpose as well. So guys, I try to introduce you about CRM, what is customer relationship management, how it is useful, what are the various customer relationship management tool available in the market, why Salesforce is ahead of the rest of them, and what are the various features Salesforce provides for different types of business activities. Of course, there are plenty of other business activities as well, but I can guarantee you, whatsoever business activity you are having, Salesforce has a feature for it. That marks the end of this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, thank you and take care.